Hey, what's going on guys, Sergeant Tech Tips. I'm going to be showing you how to download VirtualBox for Windows 10. This will work from Windows 7 on up, so let's go ahead. So you're going to go to the link in the description below, but it's going to bring you to virtualbox.org. So if you want to download an older version, you click Downloads, and you can download a Windows host, stuff like that. So I believe to download an older version, you have to do, here you go. You're going to click C 5.1 builds. And you can get all the builds for different versions. This might not be the older versions, but you can get one for basically every operating system. But in this case, we're going to be downloading one for Windows, so it's actually going to bring you to this website. I'm going to do this link instead. You're going to click Windows Hosts. And yeah, so we'll go ahead and let that download. Alright guys, so once the installation is done, it's going to pop up down here. Now you can go to your Downloads folder by clicking your File Explorer and going to Downloads. But in this case, I'm just going to be clicking the file itself. And then the UAC is going to pop up after you click Next. Or no, maybe it won't. I thought it usually does with this software, but I'm probably incorrect. So go ahead and just click Next throughout it. You can create a desktop shortcut, but I don't, because I don't put files on my desktop anyway. But you can go ahead and click Next and click Yes. Click Install. Okay, now the UAC pops up, so just go ahead and click Yes. And the UAC is the user account controls, just making sure you're going to verify that the installation can go ahead and do so. And then once this window pops up, click Install. I usually make it so it just automatically trusts software from Oracle, but you know. Then once the installation is done, you can go ahead and click Finish, and then it's going to start the VirtualBox software. So yeah, this is a software you can use to make VirtualBoxes for Windows, Ubuntu, Linux, and macOS and stuff like that. So if you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, drop a dislike. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Sorry, I'm super tired right now, but thank you guys for all the support, and if you guys have any other video ideas, let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know how I did, and if you guys want to download the wallpaper, I'll leave a link in the description, because this is a sick wallpaper. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace out.